Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a minimum age requirement on Instagram so you can control who can view your stories, posts, reels, and profile content. First, open the App Store or Google Play. Store and make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools. From there, tap on Other and then choose Minimum Age. Here you'll see the option to set a default minimum age for all countries. You can simply enter the age requirement you want, such as 18 years old. You can also choose to set different age restrictions for specific countries if needed. This is useful for businesses, creators, and brands that want to comply with local regulations or target a specific audience. Once you've saved your settings, only users who meet the age requirements will be able to access your content. That's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.